In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a TRX pull-up. So firstly, I've got a mat here just for general comfort, which is completely optional. And I've got the TRX suspended directly above my head. Now there's two ways to do the TRX pull-up. The first way is the easy way, which is what I'm going to show you. And I'm also going to show you how to progress it as well. So in terms of start position, if I'm in this position with my knees bent, that's going to be an easier exercise doing the TRX pull-up than if I was going to go more advanced and just have myself in a straight leg position. So pick which one you want to do. Maybe start off with the easier version. If it's too easy, then pop your legs to completely straight. From here, how you then know the TRX is in the right position is I want you to completely flex your shoulders, bring your hands above your head, and I want you to just be slightly reaching for those handles. They shouldn't be out of reach, but it should be where you're really bringing your hands up nice and high, and that is the start position for your TRX pull-up. So from here, what you're going to do is I want you to imagine the elbows are going to end up in this position. So the elbows are to the side of the ribs, so you're tucked in with that elbow position. Hands are going to be vaguely in line with the chest, okay? From here, the only thing that's going to be in contact with the floor is my heels. So chest up, looking up, core braced, straight up, slowly back down under control, straight up, slowly back down under control. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do a TRX pull-up.